The Power of Honesty, a tale of Jack. Meet Jack, a poor farmer battling harsh realities every single day. Living in a crumbling house and barely scraping by, his life was defined by hardship. One freezing winter night, fate stepped in. Jack found a wallet stuffed with money abandoned on the road. Jack could have used the money for himself. After all, who would have blamed him? But instead of giving in to temptation, he chose honesty. He tracked down the wallet's owner, a wealthy but kind merchant, and returned every last coin inside. The merchant, moved by Jack's selflessness, decided to reward him generously. What began as a small act of kindness turned into a life-changing moment. Jack's honesty didn't just touch the merchant, it reshaped Jack's future, proving that integrity carries priceless rewards. Jack's story is a shining reminder that doing the right thing, even when it's hard, can lead to unexpected blessings. So, what impact could your choices create? Share below. Would you return the wallet or keep it? Hit like, follow, and spread Jack's story to inspire more honesty in the world.